to show you how to create a one-piece pattern out of the Elderberry Blossoms mask pattern. I'm using the adult small, just what I'm using currently to cut. So I've got my pattern, got a piece of paper. I'm going to draw a line down the middle of the paper, or fairly close to it. It doesn't have to be exactly in the middle of the paper. That doesn't matter. But you do need room on each side. Then we're going to take our mask piece and measure in 1/4 of an inch from the edge. I'm going to do this on the blank side so I can see better because of the other lines. It does get a little confusing. So I'm going to actually see if I can do it with this one. Yes. Now, this will give you this much of the pattern from here to here that is solid on your fabric. So from here to here, basically you will have a solid pattern. If you need a larger space, you can come down further, but again, that'll make the mask flatter. So 1/4 inch is just right here. I'm going to try to center that and make it perpendicular with the end right over here. I want to try and make sure that those are even. I'm just doing it visually right now. You could measure. So there you go. It's 1/4 inch at the widest part. So what you want to do is line that up with your center line and trace. Once you've done that, simply flip your pattern around. And something you may want to do. This isn't exactly symmetrical from top to bottom, and even if it was when you cut it out, it may not still be. So something you may want to do is flip it this way. So this point and this point, this curve and this curve are exactly the same. Now to do that, I've just darkened up my line so I can see it through the paper. And just line that up to where it intersects and trace again. So this is what you end up with. Go ahead and cut it out and you'll end up sewing these two darts together. And there you have it. Again, when you sew these together, it will create that shape. It's a slightly flatter in the front, but not much.